Good morning! Mag-breakfast tayo ng OTAP na biscuit at saka hot coffee. Magtitimpla tayo ng coffee ko brown coffee. Ayan. Tara, let's start. No need to add sugar dahil ito matamis na. Mix lang. Sarap ng mainit na kape na merong malutong na OTAP. Thanks for watching my